I'm sure you'll know us buying so many quality four-wheel drives day in, day out. Another stunning Range Rover Sport just arrived. This is a 2020 70 registration Range Rover Sport HSE dynamic 3-litre diesel V6 engine. Indus silver, which is a great colour for the car when you get a full factory black styling package, which this one has. Just 12,000 miles on the clock. Big features, opening sunroof, heated steering wheel. It makes a big difference in these cars when you've got a sunroof. This one is the tilt and sliding roof, not just the glass roof. Black exterior styling pack, full service history, lovely condition, and I do love this colour in this car. I think it's very classy, elegant, just looking absolutely immaculate, this car under the lights of our showroom. Full factory black pack, so that's the black badges, black grille, black inserts into the bottom section. This is the dynamics. You'll see it's fully colour coded all around the car. Front section, side sections, you'll see we've got fixed side steps, 21-inch multi-spoke Storm Rally wheels, also in gloss black, and then the gloss black inserts into the bonnet, the wings, the mirrors. It's a great car. The dynamic gives it different driving modes, it gives it a different steering wheel. You know, the best four-wheel drives arriving daily, selling daily. Range Rover Sports like this, great value. We sell them so quickly, sell them properly. So if you're looking at this vehicle from afar, we're in Teesside, you might be elsewhere in the country, buy with confidence, guys, because our cars are always the best. You'll see from the back end, this black boot finisher, black Range Rover badging, all part of that black styling package, assisted tailgate, air suspension, so switchable in the boot. We've got air suspension, there's some buttons on the right-hand side there, and then the Range Rovers, always lots of space, proper family car, luxury four-wheel drive, great performance. And the facelifted car is so modern inside, things like keyless entry, full leather interior, heated rear seats, Meridian sound system, and that big feature on this car, the tilt and sliding glass roof. You know, the car will come fully prepared, but it's still under Land Rover warranty until 2023, September at least. Lovely condition all round, electric memory seats for driver and passenger. The dynamic steering wheel, dynamic drive modes, as I've mentioned. I'll jump in and show you some of the features you get. So electric seats for driver and passenger. You have got 3-stage memory function. Meridian sound system, something that's important to me when I'm buying a car. You get on the door here, you get child locks, which are fully electric, so I can stop my kids opening the windows and the doors from the back just by pushing that button. Then let's look at the steering wheel. So this steering wheel is a dynamic steering wheel. It's slightly smaller. You've got this stainless steel section around it. The steering wheel is heated on this car, it's an option. Cruise control, lane departure on the right, and then you've got your Bluetooth and stereo controls on the left. Keyless start, I've already mentioned the keyless entry. Important feature in this car, it's a dynamic, so you've got a dynamic drive mode, not available in the normal HSE, which is this one here. The car performs a little bit better. Popping it in reverse, reversing camera, the car will park itself, and then going through some of the options, it's all touch operated, navigation, media interface, Bluetooth interface. You've got your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, so the car will sync to your smartphone. Heated front seats, digital climate control, heated front and rear screens. And what I like about this is you've got this lovely dark wood grain trim through the centre, which is quite different and very classy as well. Air suspension, driving modes, it's got it all. It's a top car. Going on the website now with just 12,000 miles on, it will come fully prepared. It doesn't need anything. There's no marks on the car. There's no marks on the wheels. It's a beautiful example in Indus silver. Great car. Ring me on my number on the screen. Get it reserved. Thanks for watching.